Today we're gonna do a before and after of catless downpipes on the 2007, right? 08 Subaru Impreza WRX.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, we already done took the stock downpipe off the turbo. We got these 6 bolts up here. Got Mr. Kenny down there working.
That's all gasket? That silver shit?
Look like it.
Yeah, that's fucking weird. That should not have sucked in there like that.
Well, it might have been a gasket maker too.
Yeah, somebody fucked up somewhere. It feels like cardboard.
That. See a comparison of the old downpipes to the new one. They look pretty similar. Got the O2 sensor in there. This one has O2 sensor spacers already built in, so we're gonna give y'all before and after sound.